Military technologies have undergone a profound evolution, transcending conventional boundaries to redefine modern warfare. Innovations in artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and nanotechnology are revolutionizing defense strategies. Enhanced surveillance capabilities, stealth technology, and directed energy weapons are reshaping battlefield dynamics. The fusion of advanced sensors, unmanned systems, and cyber warfare capabilities is ushering in an era of unprecedented strategic possibilities. Moreover, developments in biotechnology and space-based systems are expanding the scope of military operations beyond terrestrial confines. As nations strive to maintain military supremacy, the convergence of these cutting-edge technologies heralds a new era of defense paradigms and global security challenges. In today's video are military technologies that enhance surveillance capabilities and expand the scope of military operations. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for you not to miss any of our interesting video. Number 1. Cockell IX Armored Vehicles. The Cockell IX armored vehicles represent a pinnacle in military mobility and protection. Engineered by Cockell Industries, these formidable machines boast advanced composite armor, shielding occupants from ballistic threats, IEDs, and landmines. With all-wheel drive and robust suspension, they navigate diverse terrain with agility. Their modular design allows for versatile armament configurations, from machine guns to missile systems. Capable of transporting a squad of troops, the spacious interior accommodates both personnel and equipment. Integrated communication and navigation systems ensure seamless battlefield coordination. The Cockell IX stands as a testament to innovation, delivering unmatched security and operational capability in modern conflict scenarios. Number 2. FLIR LVSS. The FLIR LVSS long-range vehicle surveillance system is a state-of-the-art mobile surveillance solution ideal for extensive monitoring applications. Equipped with high-resolution thermal and electro-optical sensors, it provides exceptional day and night detection capabilities. The system offers 360-degree coverage and long-range surveillance, ensuring comprehensive situational awareness. Mounted on a mobile platform, the LVSS allows rapid deployment and repositioning. Automated target detection and tracking enhance response times, while seamless integration with other security systems enables coordinated operations. The FLIR LVSS is perfect for border security, critical infrastructure protection, and military operations, delivering versatile and powerful surveillance capabilities. Number 3. Saab Barracuda ULCAS FSS. The Saab Barracuda Ultra Lightweight Camouflage Screen, ULCAS for Field Signature Suppression, FSS, is an advanced camouflage system designed to provide superior concealment for military assets. ULCAS effectively reduces visual, near-infrared, thermal infrared, and radar signatures, making it difficult for enemy forces to detect and target. The lightweight, durable material can be easily deployed in various terrains and conditions. ULCAS is part of Saab's broader Barracuda product line, which focuses on enhancing survivability through cutting-edge camouflage technology. This system is vital for modern warfare, ensuring that military operations remain covert and assets protected from detection. Number 4. Silynx CLARUS. The Silynx CLARUS is a compact, in-ear communication system designed for tactical and military use. It offers advanced hearing protection and clear communication capabilities even in noisy environments. The system integrates seamlessly with various radios and intercoms, enhancing situational awareness and operational efficiency. Featuring ruggedized, water-resistant construction, the CLARUS is built to withstand harsh conditions. Its intuitive design includes a simple push-to-talk button and ergonomic controls for ease of use in the field. With its balance of protection and performance, the Silynx CLARUS is a critical tool for modern tactical operations. Number 5. JFD Shadow Nav. The JFD Shadow Nav is an advanced navigation system designed for divers, particularly in military and commercial sectors. This wrist-worn device provides critical navigation data, including depth, heading, and time, ensuring precise underwater orientation. Its robust construction is suited for harsh underwater environments, offering durability and reliability. The Shadow Nav features a high-contrast display that remains readable in low-light conditions, enhancing situational awareness. Integrated with GPS and other advanced technologies, it supports complex dive missions with accuracy. The JFD Shadow Nav is an essential tool for divers requiring dependable navigation and operational efficiency in challenging underwater scenarios. Number 6. Rheinmetall Lynx KF-41. The Rheinmetall Lynx KF-41 is a next-generation infantry fighting vehicle, RFV renowned for its versatility and firepower. Engineered for modern battlefield challenges, it features advanced modular armor, providing superior protection against a variety of threats. Its powerful 35mm cannon and flexible mission systems enable precise engagement of both ground and aerial targets, ensuring battlefield dominance. With a robust chassis and advanced suspension system, the Lynx KF-41 delivers exceptional mobility over diverse terrains. Its spacious interior accommodates a fully equipped infantry squad, enhancing operational effectiveness. As a cutting-edge IFV, the Rheinmetall Lynx KF-41 sets a new standard for armored warfare capabilities. Number 7. MANTIS RCWS. The MANTIS RCWS remote-controlled weapon station is a versatile and highly effective weapon platform designed for use on armored vehicles and naval vessels. Featuring a remote control interface, it enables operators to engage targets with precision while remaining protected inside the vehicle. The MANTIS system can be armed with a variety of weapons, including machine guns, automatic cannons, and anti-tank missiles, providing adaptable firepower to meet diverse mission requirements. Its modular design allows for easy integration and upgradability, ensuring compatibility with evolving combat scenarios. With its advanced targeting capabilities and robust construction, the MANTIS RCWS enhances the lethality and survivability of military platforms. Number 8. Xaver 400. The Xaver 400 is an advanced through-wall imaging system used primarily by military and law enforcement agencies for reconnaissance and search and rescue operations. Utilizing ultra-wideband radar technology, it can penetrate various wall types including concrete, brick, and wood to provide real-time imaging of targets behind obstacles. Its compact and portable design allows for rapid deployment in urban environments or disaster zones. The Xaver 400 offers operators enhanced situational awareness, enabling them to identify threats or trapped individuals without the need for physical entry. With its cutting-edge capabilities, the Xaver 400 is a vital tool for enhancing operational effectiveness in complex environments. Number 9. EOD-1. EOD-1 is a cutting-edge explosive ordnance disposal EOD suit designed to protect bomb disposal technicians during hazardous operations. Engineered with advanced materials, it offers maximum protection against blasts, fragmentation, and chemical agents. The suit's modular design allows for customization based on mission requirements, ensuring flexibility and comfort for the wearer. Integrated with communication systems and cooling technology, EOD-1 enhances situational awareness and endurance in high-stress environments. Its ergonomic construction enables agile movement and dexterity, crucial for handling delicate explosive devices. With its uncompromising safety features and performance, EOD-1 is a trusted choice for bomb disposal units worldwide. Number 10. Inflatable military decoys. Inflatable military decoys are sophisticated tools used to deceive and mislead adversaries on the battlefield. These decoys mimic real military assets such as tanks, aircraft, and vehicles, diverting enemy attention and resources away from actual targets. Constructed from durable materials, they are lightweight and easily deployable, offering tactical advantages in diverse environments. Their inflatable nature allows for quick inflation and deflation, facilitating rapid deployment and relocation as needed. Equipped with realistic features like heat signatures and radar reflectors, these decoys effectively simulate genuine military presence, enhancing strategic deception and operational success on the battlefield. Number 11. Xtender. Xtender is an innovative solution designed to extend the operational range of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. This tethered drone system provides continuous power and data transmission to the UAV, allowing for extended flight times without the need for frequent battery swaps. By tethering to a ground station or vehicle, Xtender ensures uninterrupted flight for critical missions such as surveillance, reconnaissance, and communications relay. Its lightweight and compact design make it highly portable, enabling rapid deployment in various environments. With Xtender, UAVs can effectively cover larger areas and stay airborne for extended durations, enhancing their operational capabilities and mission success. Number 12, Panther KF-51. The Panther KF-51 is a next-generation main battle tank developed by Rheinmetall. Introduced in 2022, it is designed to replace older models like the Leopard 2. The KF-51 features advanced technologies including a 130mm main gun, enhanced protection systems, and cutting-edge sensors. Its modular architecture allows for easy upgrades and customization. The tank emphasizes network-centric warfare capabilities, enabling seamless integration with other military systems. It also includes automation and artificial intelligence to reduce crew workload and improve operational efficiency. The Panther KF-51 represents a significant leap in armored warfare, focusing on adaptability, firepower, and survivability. Number 13, Tactical Holsters. Tactical holsters are purpose-built carrying systems designed to securely hold firearms while providing quick and efficient access for military and law enforcement personnel. Constructed from rugged materials like Kydex or nylon, they offer durability and reliability in demanding environments. Tactical holsters feature retention mechanisms such as straps, locks, or friction fit designs, ensuring weapons remain securely in place during dynamic movements. Additionally, they often incorporate modular attachments for compatibility with belts, vests, or mole platforms, allowing for customizable configurations based on user preference and mission requirements. With their emphasis on security, accessibility, and versatility, tactical holsters are essential tools for armed professionals in the field. Number 14, Air Defense Skynet. Skynet is an advanced air defense system developed to detect, track, and neutralize aerial threats in real time. Utilizing a network of radar, sensors, and command systems, Skynet provides comprehensive airspace surveillance and protection against enemy aircraft, missiles, and drones. Equipped with sophisticated target identification and engagement capabilities, it can autonomously or remotely operate a variety of anti-aircraft weapons, including surface-to-air missiles and anti-aircraft guns. Skynet's integrated command and control architecture enables seamless coordination with other defense systems, enhancing overall airspace security. With its advanced technology and rapid response capabilities, Skynet stands as a formidable safeguard against airborne threats. Number 15, Robot Killer Dogo. The Robot Killer Dogo is an autonomous quadrupedal robot equipped with lethal weaponry designed for military or security applications. Resembling a canine in appearance, it features advanced mobility and navigation systems for traversing rugged terrain and urban environments. Armed with a variety of offensive capabilities such as mounted firearms, grenades, or even built-in lasers, it poses a significant threat to adversaries on the battlefield or in high-risk situations. Controlled remotely or autonomously, the Robot Killer Dogo provides a force multiplier for military units and law enforcement agencies, enhancing their capabilities in combat, reconnaissance, and perimeter security operations. You enjoyed this video. Our team will be very happy if you can like and share this video with your friends on social media. But before then, subscribe to this YouTube channel. We love you.